While other countries take decades to approve a single infrastructure project, China builds megaprojects at a speed that defies all logic. Their engineering works are redefining what we thought possible, and this is causing a real stir in the United States. From bridges that literally pierce through the clouds to entire cities that think for themselves, this country is creating structures that seemed impossible. What you're about to see aren't just futuristic concepts, but real constructions that already exist. In this video, we'll explore the 8 most impressive megaprojects that China has built to date. I'll tell you right now that when you reach number 1, you'll understand why the entire world is talking about these marvels of Chinese engineering. Number 8. Underground Pentagon. 30 kilometers from Beijing, beneath the surface of the Juri area, hundreds of cranes have been working tirelessly since 2023. There are no signs, no trace of civilian activity, no drones flying over the zone, only excavators, moved earth, and a heavily guarded perimeter. What's being built here is believed to be one of China's most ambitious secret military projects, the so-called Underground Pentagon. This massive complex could be 60 times larger than the American headquarters. It's designed to repel any type of attack, from cyber attacks to bombings and even nuclear strikes. Its geopolitical impact hasn't gone unnoticed. The United States, Japan, South Korea, India, and Taiwan have grown nervous at the advancement of this infrastructure. China neither confirms nor denies anything, only repeating that everything is defensive. But when a country buries its military brain under a mountain, the question is no longer whether it's willing to go to war, but what kind of future it's anticipating. Number 7. South-North Water Transfer Project. China faced a massive problem. The South had abundant water, while the North suffered from chronic droughts. The solution was so bold it seems impossible, moving entire oceans of water across the country. The South-North Water Transfer Project is the most ambitious water engineering work in human history. With an investment of $120 billion, it extends for more than 14,000 kilometers, equivalent to building an artificial river from Beijing to Egypt. The system includes aqueducts that extend for 9 kilometers without touching the ground, water bridges that cross rivers, and underground tunnels that pass beneath other rivers. It's as if they've created an artificial circulatory system for an entire country. Each year, more than 10 billion cubic meters of water flow northward, supplying 170 million people in 44 cities. To make this possible, 400,000 people were relocated. Today, this automated system navigates through 8 provinces as if it were a giant video game controlled by artificial intelligence. Number 6. FAST, China's Eye of Heaven. Hidden in the mountains of Guizhou, China built a giant ear to listen to the cosmos, the FAST radio telescope, known as China's Eye of Heaven. With a diameter of 500 meters, it covers an area equivalent to 30 soccer fields. Its sensitivity is 2.5 times greater than the former Arecibo Observatory in the United States. It can detect electromagnetic signals from 13.7 billion years ago, practically listening to the echo of the Big Bang. The precision is supernatural. 4,450 individual panels move in coordination with millimeter accuracy to track celestial objects. It's like watching a cosmic dance where each element must move in perfect synchrony, with no margin for error. But here's what's truly spine-chilling. FAST could be the first to detect signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. Its applications range from searching for exoplanets to studying dark matter. To avoid interference, 9,000 people from nearby villages were relocated. As you watch this video, FAST could be receiving a signal that would forever change our understanding of the universe. Number 5. Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. Get ready to discover what many consider the 8th wonder of the world, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. At 55 kilometers in length, it's the longest sea bridge on the planet. But the real magic is underwater. A 6.7-kilometer underwater tunnel was built with precision of less than 5 millimeters. 33 giant segments, each the size of an 8-story building and weighing 80,000 tons, were connected underwater with millimeter precision. The process was like performing brain surgery at the bottom of the ocean during a storm. A single mistake would have meant disaster. Chinese engineers developed more than 1,000 technological patents during construction. This bridge can withstand Category 16 hurricanes, magnitude 8 earthquakes, and the impact of a 300,000-ton ship. Its projected lifespan is 120 years. When American engineers saw this project, one declared, "It's as if the Chinese had captured aliens to achieve this." The bridge doesn't just connect cities, it connects the future with the present. Number 4. Mini Sky City. And now we come to something that defies all logic. In Changsha, something happened that redefined the impossible. A 57-story skyscraper was built in just 19 days. That's not a mistake. 19 days. This building, called Mini Sky City, measures 200 meters in height with 180,000 square meters of total area. But it wasn't built with traditional bricks and cement. They used revolutionary modular technology, 2,736 prefabricated modules that assemble like giant Lego blocks. The construction speed reached 3 floors per day. Imagine, while you slept, had breakfast, and worked, they had completed 3 entire floors of a skyscraper. It's as if they had hacked the laws of time. What's most unsettling is that this structure can withstand magnitude 9 earthquakes and meets safety standards superior to conventional buildings. The factory manufacturing plus on-site assembly method not only dramatically increased speed, but also reduced energy consumption and construction waste. This amazing achievement demonstrates to the world what China's speed and Chinese ingenuity truly mean. Number 3. Oil Island. The Zhoushan Oil Island is one of China's most important strategic infrastructures, designed to strengthen the country's energy security against the volatility of the international market. With a storage capacity of approximately 5 billion cubic meters, equivalent to about 30 million barrels of crude oil, this base is equipped with 55 giant tanks. One of them, 23 meters tall, has a capacity comparable to 40 Olympic swimming pools. Its port infrastructure is designed to receive large draft oil tankers and has 3 transfer arms capable of jointly unloading up to 9,000 cubic meters of crude per hour. It's as if they've created an artificial heart that pumps the nation's vital fuel. The construction of the complex cost between $1 billion and $1.6 billion and is part of the National Strategic Oil Reserve Plan. This isn't just a storage facility, it's an energy shield that protects China from international crises. When other countries suffer from fuel shortages, China has its own ocean of oil waiting underground. Number 2. Baihetan Hydropower Station. In the heart of China, where the Jinsha River winds like an ancient dragon, stands one of the most complex engineering works ever created, the Baihetan Hydropower Station. This beast of concrete and steel, often called the lung of the earth, houses 16 giant turbines, each with a capacity of 1 million kilowatts. But here's what will leave you breathless. Each 338-ton turbine was installed with a precision of 0.02 millimeters, 5 times thinner than a human hair. The generation capacity is monstrous, 16 million kilowatts, second only to the Three Gorges Dam, which coincidentally is also in China. Annually, the Baihetan station can replace 48 million tons of coal and prevent 130 million tons of CO2 emissions. What's most overwhelming is that the entire system is based on 30,000 hydroelectric standards and more than 400 technological innovations. It integrates high-temperature insulation materials, superconducting generators, and 3D dynamic simulations. It's as if they've created an artificial ecosystem that breathes, thinks, and self-regulates. This station doesn't just generate electricity, it generates China's energy future. Number 1. Xiong'an Smart City. On the plains of Hebei, where there were once only empty fields, now stands a city that seems straight out of a science fiction movie, Xiong'an Smart City. This $95 billion metropolis was built from scratch in just 7 years. More than 3,000 buildings emerged from nothing, but what's truly disturbing are its thinking roads. These smart streets, powered by 5G networks and IoT sensors, monitor traffic in real time and automatically calculate the fastest routes for emergency vehicles. Imagine, an ambulance can receive all green lights to its destination, as if the city itself were conspiring to save lives. This isn't science fiction, this is happening now. The underground system is a complete network of transportation and services that functions like the nervous system of a giant organism. The infrastructure blends subways, high-speed railways, water systems, electrical grids, and 5G networks into a single intelligent ecosystem. While other countries debate whether to build, China is already focused on how to build better. This difference could define the race toward the future. Xiong'an isn't just a city, it's the prototype of how we'll live tomorrow. China doesn't just build mega projects, it's redefining the limits of what's humanly possible. Each structure you've just learned about is a step toward a future we can barely imagine. What do you think of these projects? Do you believe we're witnessing the birth of a new era of engineering? Leave us your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.